take it from a little to a lot, and I am spinning in a circle like a dizzy little top. And I am calling all the people I've forgotten about, and trying to tell them that I figured it out. But it's a lie, and all the stupid things I say and do and never really stop when I should never have begun. I really ought to drop it, but it's faster when you don't even have time to stop and think about the things that you were saying, cause they never really matter. But it's empty spaces in the air. Fill it up, fill it up, fill it up. Oh no, all the million little empty spaces in the air. Fill it up, fill it up, fill it up. Oh no, oh no, oh no. But I never was a fighter, and I never was a poet, and I never was a writer, though you never really know it, cause I'm full of all the knowledge that you needed to know. And I will share it if you're ready or not, because I know I heard that Jamie was a wicked fan, and Timmy's dropping out, and all the other little things that I was thinking about, like how mosquitoes have malaria and dogs have lice. I could go on for half an hour, cause I hate to leave a million little empty spaces in the air. Fill it up, fill it up, fill it up. Oh no, oh no, all the million little empty spaces in the air. Fill it up, fill it up, fill it up. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Economy of speech is not a virtue, it's a sin. I never wanna tell you once what I could say again and again and again and again and again. And I know you wanna tell me what you think of what I say. I promise you that I will give you time later to weigh in if you want to.